lens cleaner. So there was just a smidge of dirt. I don't know if you can tell. I gotta spend the time to actually show you people. Whatever, well, you can take my word for it. Anyway, yeah, it was a little dirty, so let's see if that makes a difference. I got a feeling it's not, but let's hope I'm wrong. Clicking. I wonder. Alright. I don't even think it was all the way. Okay. No. No way. Get the fuck out of here. You got me. You can't tell me that was just a dirty lens. Holy shit. I really all it was. Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. Ooh. I wonder if that's just gonna load right up. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I know a good way to test this. Turn this shit off. Turn it right back on. Because if it works, it's going to boot this game up in like 2 seconds. Yep. Oh, shit.